Hi there, welcome to Emailgistics, and welcome to module number 2 of your Defining Schedules course. In this module, I'm going to cover how to create a user schedule for the first time. In the Emailgistics Admin Center, you're going to navigate to Mailboxes, select the mailbox you want to make the changes to, and click on the Users tab. From here, you're going to have a list of your users that belong in that mailbox. By default, users are going to be on manual availability. So if we choose our first user here, Ashi, we can see that Ashi is currently on manual availability and she's marked as unavailable. Here, I'm going to change her over to scheduled availability. Once I select scheduled availability, you will get a warning that no events are for today. The daily schedule will take effect tomorrow. This means that if you are going to be creating a schedule and you would like your users to use that schedule for the day, you will have to create a one-time event for that user. I will show you how to do that in a couple seconds here. First, on the daily schedule, we will default the user Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you wish to change their work hours, you can simply click on the field here and you can choose whatever their hours are. So Ashi's going to be working from 7 a.m. until 3 p.m. If you have users that work different hours on different days, you can modify this by taking away a few days here. So Ashi doesn't work Thursday and Friday from 7 to 3. We can add a daily schedule and I can put her in for Thursday, Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Now, let's say Ashi here does take a particular break each and every day. You can go ahead and add that break in. So that user will be marked as unavailable during those times. Once I click add a break, I can call this a break, a lunch, coffee, dinner, meeting, appointment. Most likely if it's going to happen each day, it will be a break or a lunch. And we could say that Ashi takes her break from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. So each day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, she'll be scheduled from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m., but go unavailable between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. for her break. If users have sporadic breaks or they don't have set breaks, they can modify their breaks within our Emailgistics add-in, which you can see in our Emailgistics add-in course. If Ashi works a split shift, you are able to add a second shift for each of these days. So if I want to add a shift here, she's off at 3, but comes back at 6 p.m. and works until 9 p.m. This means that after 3 p.m., she will go unavailable and then will become available again from 6 p.m. onward. This could be used for if you have somebody that covers your after hours. Maybe you don't have a lot of mail flow that's coming in those days, those hours. Then you might have somebody who's going to be monitoring the mailbox and you want messages to only route to them during those hours. You can set this schedule here for them to have mail route to them between 6 p.m. and 9 p.m. The user schedule is extremely important for our automatic assignment, rules-based routing, or any other feature that has to do with availability. It also plays a very important role when it comes to our reporting. We want to report on how well the user's performing during their scheduled hours. Just because a user might have a message sitting in their folder at 4 in the morning doesn't mean that they're working at 4 in the morning. We want to make sure that we can track reply times from the time that they're working to the time that they're not working. Thank you for joining me on module number 2 of your Defining Schedules course, how to create a user schedule for the first time. If you have any questions, you can email support@emailgistics.com and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you again for your time, and I'll see you on the next one.